Hello, my name's Rebecca, and this is Your Bourbon Journey. Welcome to episode 83 of Thirsty Thursday Cocktails. Tonight's cocktail is a dry, sophisticated variant of a Manhattan. It will show how a flavored whiskey can belong in a serious, spirit-forward cocktail as long as you balance it with high-proof bourbon and a nice, bitter botanical. We are anchoring this build with a Four Roses Private Select single barrel that is recipe OBSV. Coming in at a whopping 126 proof, it will provide a powerful punch, hints of rye spice, and some amazing delicate fruit notes for our cocktail. Now for this, we will be using 1.5 ounces. For our modifier tonight, we will be using Thornbush Prickly Pear flavored whiskey. It has a unique dark berry and earthy melon note that's going to stand up very nicely with our Four Roses high proof bourbon. We will be using 3/4 ounce of the Thornbush. Our other modifier is a lovely botanical, our Cynar 70. This is a 70 proof dark Amaro that's going to bring a deep, bitter baseline and earthy botanicals. It's going to keep the prickly pear right where it needs to be. Now we will use 1/2 ounce of our Cynar 70. For our bitters tonight, we will be using 2, and our first one is the orange bitters. These will bring a lovely citrusy pop that's going to really brighten up this Manhattan right where it needs to be. So 2 dashes of the orange bitters. And for a very subtle hint of smoke and spiciness, we will use 1 dash of the Strongwater Spicy Bonfire Bitters. Next, we will add ice and stir for about 25 to 30 seconds, and then I will rejoin you. This is very well chilled now. We're going to strain this into our coupe glass. We'll be serving it neat, but it's so well chilled, we don't need ice. And for our garnish, we will use 1 brandied Luxardo cherry, and I will drop that right into the glass. Beautiful. Right off the nose, I'm getting hints of orange and this dark berry note that's coming from the prickly pear. It's very inviting and makes me want to take a sip. Cheers to the high desert Manhattan. Fascinating. The initial notes on the palate are this nice oakiness and rye spice from our Four Roses OBSV bourbon, but it quickly parts way to give those lovely, amazing notes of the prickly pear coming forward. It's just a light sweetness, but then it's quickly met by the rye spices and this amazing Cynar 70 herbal and botanical notes. It is keeping the theme of a spirit-forward cocktail and drinking like an amazing Manhattan for summertime. The finish is long and warming. I just get this little lingering hint on the back end of a little bit of pepperiness and spice that's coming from both the Cynar and the Bonfire Bitters. But then it leaves you with this feeling of dark fruit that feels fresh like summertime. It's a very sophisticated cocktail and one that I hope you will try. Now next week, we're keeping with the prickly pear theme. Episode 84 will be the Cactus Flower Sour. It's a tart, bright, and beautifully colored whiskey sour for a late summer evening. I do hope you'll join for that. Tonight, as always, I ask that you please drink responsibly. that you have the most amazing Thirsty Thursday. Take a moment and celebrate summertime with the High Desert Manhattan. Cheers.